Last 2 3 years, everybody is talking about the digital transformation. The BFS and all other verticals and business lines are going into it. This transformation has been a great journey for everybody, and it's proudly I can say that we are being part of the that journey. BFS always offered many things thick and fast at the very early stage. That's where the we always say the BFSI is a torch bearers on the many initiatives. When we discussed a lot about the digital transformations, all those things, there are three things which we need to discuss and which we need to classify or which we need to put into the details. That is, one is the customer experience, the second is the operational process, and the third is the business models. We need to look these three combination in the individual and then as a group to become a digital transformation. Each of them are a pillar that is each have the different, each of them are pillar, and they are the changing and the entire game landscape. I can probably say that the country is moving to the digital first economy. We need to push this further by the technology initiatives, and we should be prepared. We should push. I strongly feel that BFS sector has a big opportunity to play a bigger role, a bigger prospect in the country's digital first economy. We need to push our infrastructure, our technology, our processes, our customer experience to the next level to ensure that we contribute to the country's dream, our prime minister dreams of 5 trillion economy. The digital first economy has to be the first step for the 5 trillion economy. And the biggest part of this and the advantage of this is now the digital infrastructure is also coming to a real life. Today the entire innovation is happening on in the strong digital infrastructure that is supported by cloud, that is supported by hybrid cloud, and that is supported by your hyper converged infrastructure. So this is the right time for all the CIOs to contribute to the India's economy, contribute to the digital first dream, and to contribute to the India Prime Minister's vision of 5 trillion economy in next 5 years.